I just recorded an entire video, and somewhere along the way I bumped the home button and decided it did not want to record after the home button bump. So let me catch up on what we did real quick. So I masked out the areas with the white. So we've got that white and this vermilion and magenta up against this blue, and I really like the way they pop against each other. And then these little biscuits over here. And so we're going to finish it up and do something to draw it all together. But this is what we have today, and we're going to be adding a little bit something more in this area. And we're going to tie this piece in a little bit because I feel like it's floating, and these pieces are floating a little bit, so we'll tie those in as well. But that's all for this little bitty video. It's kind of turning out interesting. We'll see how the rest of it goes, and yeah, I'm really excited. So I guess you guys will get to see the all done piece. I'll make sure and record this next bit because it was fun, and lost it. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I know this was a quick one. Y'all the best. Peace.